Hey guys, do you also woke up with dull and oily skin? Yeah, same. Me also. Then I met this banger.
This is Wow Skin Science Aqua Bango Face Wash infused with watermelon extract which supply the instant hydration and hyaluronic acid which lock in the moisture for the long lasting hydration. Omega which helps to maintain the skin natural moisture barrier and preventing dryness and soothing irritation. This gentle cleanser removes impurities without stripping essential moisture, preparing your skin for the next step in your skincare routine. Wet your face with lukewarm water. Take a small amount of face wash and gently massage onto damp skin in circular motion. Rinse your face thoroughly and pat dry it. Your skin also deserves a banger, so drop the boring face wash and glow up with Wow Aqua Banger Face Wash. It's not just a face wash, it's whole mood. Get yours now. Bye bye.